I'm Angie Izzy. I'm responsible for our strategy for project delivery here at Autodesk. I want to share with you our release plans for the newest edition of the BIM 360 platform, BIM 360 Design. But before I do, I want to set up the context and help you understand why it's important to bring design closer to construction for ultimate project delivery. As disparate teams work together based on different locations, delivering on different project scopes of work, it's increasingly difficult. Coordinating project milestones, juggling data handover, and contract requirements lead to a lot of additional customer challenges. And as projects become more complex, the data is rapidly being iterated at high frequency across teams. Bad information and data silos across companies lead to massive waste, and it's really prevalent in delivering projects. And distributed teams are hurt by the delays in communications, wasted time, and the right project information. Every single time a handover occurs between teams or across phases, a data loss occurs, leading to inefficiency and risk. So as a result, traditional base drawing methods are no longer adequate to meet the needs of our customers. Due to coordination issues, technology solutions become extremely important to the project delivery process. In fact, according to the Boston Consulting Group, implementation of cloud technology solutions can impact project lifecycle costs by 15% and cut construction time by 30%. The argument for technology innovation and design and construction is clear. No project should be started without a technology solution. Current tools are not built with AEC data in mind, and the problem is that none of these tools fully solve for designers because none of them are purpose-built for design-based collaboration. Common tools such as FTP or SharePoint solutions can be expensive and complex to implement, and design files still have to be downloaded and saved to a local drive to become usable. Network drives serve the need in sharing internally, but as soon as files are needed to be accessed remotely by our external team members, these tools fall short. We're seeing some designers start to adopt more modern tools such as cloud storage, but the problem is that these cloud storage tools are really not built to manage design data. CAD files and BIM models are not viewable or usable natively in cloud storage applications, and users have to resort to download and open in order to get the model out and the value out of the model themselves. Lastly, we see some architects and engineers trying point solutions such as Aconex or Project Wiles, but while these solutions are tailored more towards AEC projects, they only solve one need at a time and hard to integrate with other solutions, and they really don't support the project lifecycle of collaboration. We have been delivering point solutions over the past few years for design customers and construction customers in a somewhat bifurcated way. We delivered design collaboration on the BIM 360 team platform, and construction workflows were really in the docs environment. But now we're finally delivering the vision to connect these technologies in a more meaningful way. And this is why we brought these things together into a single BIM 360 brand that supports design, build, and operations. BIM 360 is our new AEC cloud brand and our project delivery platform moving forward. This next generation platform removes the need for single point applications and unifies your project data. The unified BIM 360 solution aggregates the data and provides transparency to project stakeholders, making everyone more accountable and improving visibility in real time. The platform starts with the digitization of the project, housing all your information in one place. BIM 360 becomes your common data platform. Whether cloud work sharing, performing clash detection, producing field reports, or maybe you're just issuing RFIs and submittals, this is really about automating handovers and unleashing the power of that data. I'm excited to share with you the details of this next generation BIM 360 packaging. This packaging is built for personas that need to connect as the project progresses from design to construction. This is going to change how projects are being delivered. BIM 360 Docs becomes the foundation for all stakeholders on a project where project information can be stored. As any AEC project kicks off, this is where it should start. It's the place to centralize, control, and give access to all team members. Built on top of Docs as a superset, we have 3 premium process management products. Design teams will start their work in BIM 360 Design. This is our next generation collaboration solution for controlled cloud work sharing. and milestone deliverable tracking across all teams. Customers using C4R have asked us for greater control and share over their models and better access, and we're delivering it in this package for design customers. This product will slightly increase to $75 per month based on yearly purchase. As the project moves to pre-construction, contractors and VDCs will need to work with the next generation BIM 360 Glue. Now available and connected to the same common data platform, BIM 360 Docs. This is basically helping with model coordination, constructability reviews, and it takes things such as clash detection and automates it, allowing insights to be provided in real time to uniform across the project. This is also available for $60 per month, using and on top of the same BIM 360 Docs platform. As a project moves to the construction site, the construction team will also need to work with BIM 360 Build, our next generation field management solution. I'm excited to share that BIM 360 Build now includes RFIs and submittals. These workflows are critical project data centralization and accessible information. Subcontractors and trades can now respond to submittals in the same system, and everything is tracked and auditable. This is going to be available for $60 per month. Remember, everything still is available in the same packs pricing that we had in the previous versions. And also, the packages now include Docs as an underlying data layer. So each one of these packages will automatically come with Docs. However, if someone wants to purchase Docs separately and they're extended stakeholder of these teams, then they can also do that for $29 per month, the same pricing that we've had. This is the new BIM 360. It's packaged for the personas who need it across the entire project lifecycle. No one else is delivering this comprehensive design and construction vision, and our customers are already responding to this new connected way of working. So let's talk about what's under the hood in this new packaging. So as I mentioned, the new packaging includes BIM 360 Design, BIM 360 Glue, and BIM 360 Build. These are the next generation packages that are replacing the classic products as shown above. So in each one of these, they will activate modules when you purchase them. So in BIM 360 Design, Design Collaboration, and Work Sharing, the same work sharing from Collaboration for Revit will be activated when purchasing. In BIM 360 Glue, Model Coordination will be activated. In the BIM 360 Build packaging, Field Management, Project Management, and Insight will be the modules that will be activated. Of course, all of these come with the same document management module and the administration module that allows centralized account, project, and user management. And don't forget our standalone products of BIM 360 Plan and BIM 360 Ops that will allow us to have standalone features. Now that you understand how design and construction are connected for enhancing project delivery in a common data platform, I'd like to cover the BIM 360 Design package in more detail. BIM 360 Design is a cloud work sharing, design collaboration, and data management product for project delivery built on the new BIM 360 cloud platform. It's made for distributed multidisciplinary teams that can co-author models with greater file and better file access-based controls, issue management, and also deliver coordination. This package also will include change visualization and unlimited storage. So the three key items that are included in this package are Control Cloud Work Sharing in Revit, basically the same product we used to call Collaboration for Revit, the Document Management module on the BIM 360 platform, and the Design Collaboration module, which I'll explain in a moment. Let's start by taking a look at Revit Work Sharing and the Document Management module. We are providing the same cloud work sharing from Collaboration for Revit by simply changing the hosting environment to the BIM 360 platform when sharing projects in the cloud from Revit. So most importantly, Docs provides a layer of permissions and controls that we really didn't have in Team before. This allows teams greater permissions control for who has access to the model data. This typically is restricted to the team responsible for the scope of work, so BIM 360 Docs replaces team data management environment and simply provides greater control access across project teams. The document management module has many of the same features as Team, including viewing and storing of project data. Since this platform was built from the ground up to address AEC-related data management requirements, Docs will act as a data management vehicle for extended team members to coordinate project data in 2D and 3D for easy access across all project stakeholders. So all people that want to have access to the project data can just simply do it in the document management module. One key item that I wanted to point out is that RFIs and submittals have been removed from the document management module for new subscribers to BIM 360. Existing subscribers will be able to continue using these same features in the new module entitled Project Management. Today, these actions are typically intended for the contractor, so it only appears in the BIM 360 build packaging today. It's extremely important to get the cloud into all of our customers' hands, and Connected BIM is BIM plus the power of the cloud. So the AEC collection is the perfect avenue to do this. We will make it extremely easy to get started with saving projects in the cloud. We're sending email invitations to all of our AEC collections contract managers on April the 9th. This will start a 60-day window to start a 12-month preview of BIM 360 Docs, and it will provide a contact list where possible for additional engagement with those customers. In order to assist with any questions, I suggest that you go to see the FAQ that's on One Team Source today. Finally, we've enhanced the project collaboration experience for work sharing by including a new module on the BIM 360 platform called Design Collaboration. This module will make BIM dramatically more accessible to the entire project team. Let's take a look at a few key features of this new module. The addition of the Design Collaboration module allows the enhancement of cloud work sharing. This module will give teams the ability to create work-in-progress models before saving them to an entire team space, enabling greater control over their design space before contributing to the shared project team. This was the most requested feature of the Collaboration for Revit customer. I am happy to report that we're delivering this functionality through this new module called Design Collaboration. The document management module allows teams to view data from individual models or files, but it really lacks the ability to show multiple files in an aggregated view. So the introduction of Design Collaboration module allows aggregated views of all project data, automatically maintain and organize really how teams think. This will make BIM dramatically more accessible to the entire project team and significantly optimize the viewing experience. So project teams have a visual timeline, as you see at the top here, which allows a team to understand data exchanges and their contents. No more navigating folders to find the latest information. It's all right here in one module. Rather than a long list of files, which is a typical experience, the 2D and 3D contents can seamlessly be navigated in this viewing experience. Teams are constantly iterating as design progresses, so we're investing in visually representing how things change over time, freeing team members to take action instead of tracking down revisions and sheet sets. With updated BIM data available to the rest of the team, the first task is to understand what's changed from the last exchanged. So we've integrated change visualization into the process of reviewing new data in this module. Change visualization can be turned on in any view, including data from an aggregated view, a curated 3D view, or maybe just an individual sheet you want to see. Accessibility of these features depend on the package you purchase, which automatically activates the modules of the BIM 360 application. If you've purchased BIM 360 Design, you will find access to the document management, the design collaboration, and the project administration modules as shown here in red. And don't forget about the desktop connector, which is freely available to all customers. There are two installers. You will need the basic desktop connector, and then you will need to install the BIM 360 Docs version, which will update the connector to save data automatically from the desktop to your BIM 360 account. You will need a subscription to BIM 360 Docs or BIM 360 Design in order for the connector to access the correct cloud location. Let's take a look at what the competitive landscape is in this space. Many of today's collaboration solutions have been designed as horizontal one-fits-all platforms, including generic file storage and sharing like Dropbox, Box, Google Drive, and even Microsoft OneDrive. These companies are not solely focused on AEC industry and solving collaboration issues that exist across processes. Next, we have a new breed of vertically focused solutions that are rapidly gaining popularity in the AEC market. PlanGrid and Bluebeam are focused primarily on 2D and PDF-centric workflows with very little BIM interaction. Procore continues to focus on construction site management tools, but their technologies begin and end with the field, which leaves them out of the project lifecycle game. Additionally, they still have no authoring applications in their portfolio to connect to design and construction. Aconex, who has been a strong data management solution, was recently acquired by Oracle, who is making moves into the construction technology space and have most successes in ANZ to date. Dassault have been very busy with their manufacturing-centric approach to construction industry. Although they show few wins, their portfolio is expensive and few companies are willing to spend capital on new technology that has shown little success. Bentley has been a long-standing competitor in the infrastructure space, offering ProjectWise for on-premise data management and attempting to connect this workflow to the cloud. Most ProjectWise customers still use Revit plus Collaboration for Revit for building design projects and copy back the design data for ProjectWise for project management workflows. However, none of these competitors can couple all the portfolio authoring tools with born-in-the-cloud technology. Existing team subscribers will be able to renew to BIM 360 Docs for the same price as their team renewal, provided they have not let their subscription expire. Existing Collaboration for Revit subscribers will now have access to BIM 360 Design as part of their existing subscription. The SKU is the same with just the new name. When the renewal comes up, they will see a slight increase in price. Entitlements for Classic BIM 360 Team and Collaboration for Revit will be included as part of their active subscription. BIM 360 Docs subscribers will automatically receive the latest version through their Autodesk login into Docs environment, and all projects will surface in the new document management module. As mentioned in the last slide, customers will be able to continue to utilize Collaboration for Revit on the Team platform after the April 11th first customer ship date. The Classic environment will be available only from Revit 2018.3 versions and earlier so that customers continue existing projects. The new BIM 360 Design offering will only work with Revit 2018.3 and 2019. Customers may migrate projects, but this can only be done by taking the project down from the Classic C4R environment and resharing in the new version of Revit. No data, like the red lines or the notes, created in Team will be transferred into the Docs environment. So it will be important to understand how customers can gain access to the new BIM 360 Design offering. Customers can start the activation from either the link in the account shown here or the link in the emailed announcement that went to all contract managers. They need to fill out the form with name, email, and the contract number for either BIM 360 Design or Collaboration for Revit. This will ensure we don't have customers create duplicate accounts and also will allow us to connect the BIM 360 account back to the purchase. We recommend that customers only create one BIM 360 account for use across their organization. Additional administrators and users can be added within BIM 360 after activation. This is only required for customers that don't already have a BIM 360 account. If a Collaboration for Revit customer already has BIM 360, they will be able to start cloud work sharing in the new BIM 360 platform simply by updating their version of Revit. They also will already have access to the Design Collaboration module. It's extremely important to align all of our communications around the April 9th launch timeframe. New SKUs and existing SKUs with updated names will be available on April the 9th. Also, a marketing site will be launched at the same time. An end of sale of BIM 360 Team announcement went out on April the 2nd. It included a very important FAQ. There's a new announcement for BIM 360 Design that will go out to sales and channel partners by April the 9th, and it includes an extremely important FAQ that helps you with conversations around this new BIM 360 Design product. We will send an email to C4R users or Collaboration for Revit users and team contract managers, giving them a link to activate access, which will include a customer FAQ. This will go out on April the 9th. We have a ton of new sales resources available for BIM 360 Design and many more to come. We started with a presentation deck and solution snapshots. We also have an FAQ and a Kickstart guide. We will be adding to that a conversation guide that will help with talk tracks, videos, and even sales plays and having conversations with executives in a whiteboard situation. I encourage you all to take a look. We'll be posting more of these on One Team Source. There are two things to pay attention to. You can search for BIM 360 Design Treasure Map on OTS, or you can use the dedicated link as you see on the screen, autodesk.com/BIM 360 Design TM. We're also focusing our marketing programs on the same persona challenges. We've invested heavily on gathering some customer data to produce some customer case studies, infographics, ROI calculators that really tell the business case for adoption of our cloud solutions. Keep a lookout for these as well as the leads that we'll be driving from our demand generation programs. So to summarize, Autodesk offers two unique tools that work together to improve design collaboration. Our primary play is about enabling our customers to achieve multidiscipline collaboration via BIM 360. We will do this through the launch of BIM 360 Design, the next generation of collaboration for Revit. Ultimately, for designers who want to collaborate in real time on Revit models and track deliverables. Our second play is for all non-BIM designers and their stakeholders. As we move Revit customers to the cloud with BIM 360 Design, and attach BIM 360 docs to all AEC collections, it is important to recognize the value of the ecosystem connected to each project. Today we see a typical ratio of 6:1 stakeholders to Revit designers on most AEC projects, from consultants, project managers, owners, reviewers, and QA/QC personnel. This is a huge opportunity to increase subscriber count by following the project ecosystem. Thank you for listening to this Brain Shark. We look forward to a great year of design collaboration with you as our partners. If you have any questions, I direct you to One Team Source, where we will be updating assets regularly. Thank you.